guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny. So in today's video I will be showing you how to create this Valentine's makeup look. I only use one eyeshadow palette, which is the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I try to keep my looks within one palette whenever possible so that it's easy to recreate if in the case you wanna do this makeup look yourself. In the video I will show you two lipstick options. I will be showing you this nude version, and I'm also going to show you the dark lip option for in case you want to go dark or nude, you decide. But with that, if you want to learn how to create this makeup look, please keep on watching. And we're going to start by using this golden second shade on the top row, and I'm going to grab a very fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. This shade is pretty similar to my eyelid color, so I'm gonna use this mostly to create a really nice canvas and transition color for the rest of the shades that we're gonna use. Now I'm gonna grab another clean blending brush, but this one is going to be the shorter bristles, and this one I have right here is Morphe N433. And now I'm going to go into the raw sienna first shade on the bottom row, and with this I'm going to start defining my crease. I'm also gonna slightly bring it down in this area right here and kind of like stopping in the middle of my eyelid. I'm also bringing all of these shadows that I'm applying in the crease a little bit more inwards because I want to do a semi-cut crease, so I want to be able to have those shades on the back, even in the front part of the eye as well. So next I'm gonna grab a different blending brush because I wanna add a different shade to the crease. Blue on Fresnel, very opaque lilac shade. It's like a lilac mauve shade. I just want a little bit of purple rosy tones because of the other shades I'm gonna apply after. Now with the same makeup blending brush, I'm gonna go into the Love Letter pink, dark pink shade right here on the top, but with this one I'm gonna go with a very light hint because it's obviously a stronger color and I don't wanna add too much and then not being able to blend it as easy. Did you guys also read that purple is supposed to be the color of the year for 2018? I don't know if it means anything to you, but I love purples. Keep blending. I feel like sometimes it feels like you blend for hours, but that's the only way to achieve the look that you're looking for. So now for the fun part, we're gonna do the semi-cut crease. And I'll be using my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. I think I mentioned it in my prior video that I like using this one because it's very thin, so it makes it easier to do that cut crease. I'm using Morphe M224. It's just a small synthetic flat definer brush. It doesn't have to be perfect, but applying the concealer makes the eye makeup look a lot more cleaner, and that's why I've been loving doing this technique. So now I'm gonna use the same brush, but I am gonna wet it with some Fix Plus or any setting spray that you have, because I'm also gonna be using a shade in this palette for the lid color. I'm gonna be using this Mercier, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the third shade on the top row. I decided to do my foundation after, because I find that this palette has a little bit more fallouts than other palettes that I have, and also specifically this shade that I'm using right now. I've always gotten a little bit of fallouts when I used it, and then I have to clean up my foundation after. So I thought it was best to just do the foundation last. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back into my blending brush, and I'm gonna actually grab a little bit of the Fresno lilac shade right here to blend this area above the semi-cut crease a little bit better. I want it to be slightly defined but not too perfect. Now I'm just blending this area where the two shades meet, because I don't want to have that harsh line. I'm gonna do my foundation now, because I want to work in the lower lash line and clean up the eye makeup. So for eyeliner, I don't want to do a black eyeliner because I think I already have a lot of colors. I actually wanted to do a little bit more subtle, and I am going to be using the shade Cypress Umber, which is just the dark brown shade up here in the corner. And I'm going to grab my Morphe M165. I'm going to apply this as if it was my eyeliner. Just grabbing a wipey to get rid of all that extra fallout that I got. Now that I cleaned that up, I'm gonna go with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to do concealer on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the bottom lash line, and I'm just gonna use a pencil brush. I'm gonna start by using the raw sienna shade. I'm gonna go with the Fresno lilac shade that we use on the top, and lastly I'm gonna use the Love Letter. What I want to do last is I'm gonna go into the first blending brush that we use, and without any additional product, I'll just go right here, right below everything that I apply in my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna do mascara and pop some lashes, and I'll be back. Now that we have everything on, I'm gonna go ahead and line the waterline using this Urban Decay Glide On eye pencil, and it's like a double-sided one. I got a little bit of mascara on my nose, so I'm just gonna let that dry before I remove it. I use this Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Foundation. I got it a while ago, but it's in a darker shade, and I'm just gonna use this to contour a little bit right here. Right here. Just gonna blend this out with my I was gonna say Beauty Blender, but this is actually the Makeup Sponge by Morphe brushes. I actually like that Maybelline Fit Me foundation for contouring because it's very easy to blend. To go over all that cream contouring, I'm gonna use my go-to Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion just to make sure that doesn't move. Now for blush, I'll be using my Melba from MAC Cosmetics. And for highlight, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'll be mixing these two shades, which is Sunburst and Bubbly. You know what I just realized? I have the Nicole Guerriero and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette, and this one has this Forever Young purpley highlighter, so I'll be adding a little bit of that to the cheekbones. Since I have purple in my eyes, I think this will look very pretty. Just a tiny bit. I don't reach out to this highlighter palette because I feel that the highlighters are gorgeous and the shades are very beautiful, but the texture can be a little bit chunky sometimes, and it's not my favorite consistency or formula. So now I'll be grabbing a fluffy pencil brush, and I'll use the same Forever Young purple highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. So for the lips, you can either go really nude or you can go dark. I think in my case, I will definitely love to see this eye makeup look with Savage from Dust of Color, so that's the one I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I am definitely in love with the purple shades and the way everything turned out in the eyes. I think for pictures, I love this eye makeup look paired with the Savage lipstick that I'm wearing by Dust of Colors from the DesixKaty collection. But being realistic, if you're gonna be out on Valentine's Day or wherever the case might be, it might be more wearable to go with a nude lipstick. I would definitely wear this eye makeup look, especially if you're going to a fancy dinner or whatever the case might be. But I would probably pair it better with a nude lipstick, which I'm gonna show you next. But I wanted to show you how the look looks with the dark lipstick, because I'm in love with this combo. So this is the nude version, and I basically just line my lips with this Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny, and I top it off with the, what is this? This is like a lip gloss. I believe this was from the Kim Kardashian collection, and it says, yeah, it's in the shade Kimberly. So I prefer to just do a lip liner before the lip gloss because I feel it's gonna last a little bit longer. This is the complete look with the nude lips. I definitely like both colors. I think the darker lip is still perfect and everything, but the nude obviously might be more wearable. So you pick. But with that, I really hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you already have this makeup palette, I hope that my makeup look can serve as inspiration to create your own. I really hope you enjoy watching the video, and please like down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.